you guys waiting for Daddy to come home from work? Yeah, do you see him out there? Chubby, did she come into your spot? Yeah. We're on the move. Juicy booty. Do you not like that I'm videotaping you? Really infringing upon Chubby's space. Yeah, Chubby's space. Say, Daddy, where are you? This is just one of our activities over the course of the day. Charlie, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, you don't want to? All right, bye-bye.